My name is Fabian Esteban Romero, and everything started here. I didn't know much about life back then, but life already had big plan for me. My friends, the ones who bring laughter, shouts, and memories I'll never forget. With them, life feel lighter, a lot of more fun. As time passed, I learned something important. Progress is a choice. The gym became part of my life, a place where I change myself every day. But my story doesn't end here. I want to improve, travel, grow, and become the best version of myself.